strings. In C programming, we already created a string by using character array. In C programming, string is nothing but a character array which is terminated by null character. That type of string creation is have some limitations. We cannot apply a number of methods or functions on such strings. Very difficult to handle. To overcome such problems in Java, we are using a separate classes for the string. There are two types of classes for the string. The first one is called as string class. In Java, string is an instantiated object of the string class. We are creating an object of string class that is nothing but the string. Java strings are more reliable and predictable. If the index goes to out of the bounds, the Java will check it. Strings may be declared and created as follows. The first part is called as declaration part, string declaration part here, string name, then string name is equal to new string, and we have to provide here some constant here. The string creation is same as your creation of a object. Here one example is given, string first name. This is the name given for the string first name. Then first name is equal to new string, and the constant given is called as Anil. This first name contains Anil. These two statements be combined as follows. Instead of writing two statements, we can write only single statement like this way. String first name is equal to new string Anil. Here the declaration part as well as the initialization of a object is done at the same time. There are some methods I will explain in brief. If I want to find out the length of the string, how many characters are there in string, then I am using a method called as length method. This method returns the number of characters in the string. If I want to concatenate two strings, I have to use the plus symbol. The name 1 and name 2 is concatenated. For example, I have one string called as new, I have another string called as Delhi. I want to combine these two, concatenate and generate new Delhi. That can be done by this plus symbol. One more example is given here for the concatenation. First name plus Kumar. The first name is actually combined with the Kumar here. It is also possible to create string arrays. If you want to store multiple string objects, instead of creating a individual objects, we can create an array. And each array elements is nothing but a string here. The syntax is string item array, bracket you have to add here, rectangle bracket, is equal to new string. Here you have to specify the size of the array. This indicates that this item array is a array of string which can hold 3 string elements. I can store here 3 strings. I can access each element by providing some here index value. Item array 0 indicates the first string. Item array 1 indicates the second string, like that. I can initialize each object using 3 separate statements individually, or I can apply some loop like for loop. Which one is the efficient technique?